So Nigeria police can really work. Nigeria force, they work. So they can set out to do something. They go really achieve to do that thing. It is very shameful. Say Nigeria government, leave the main thing. Forget the main thing. They fight shadows. They look wetin they destroy us for face. They look wetin they make Nigeria dead at risk. They look wetin make Nigeria go be say foreign investors fear no go even let them come into the country because of the insecurity wey dey for Nigeria. They dey there, they fight shadows. They dey there, they pursue Nnamdi Kanu. They dey there, they pursue Sunday Igboho. What a shame! What a shame, Nigeria government. So if una go fit work like this, una can go out of una way to go kidnap person for anywhere where they bring and call a name, or in the name of say this person has been declared wanted. What about the Fulani herdsmen? What about the Boko Haram wey don dey destroy our country for long? What about the kidnapping case wey don make school become problems for parents? No fear, no go let them put their children for school because of the kidnapping. What about the issue of farmers who fear not they let them go farm because of the Fulani killers? What about when person fear not go let them travel even for now from Benin to Awuchi? Na fear now for the kidnapping case where they go on for them now. No only God know. For people to travel from Benin to Awuchi now, they target time where they want to move because of the fear of kidnapper for roads. Because of the fear of killer for roads. Una turn blind eyes to all this major problem. Una they chase shadow. Una turn blind eyes to the main thing where they disturb the peace of the country. Una they chase shadow. Then Nigeria, they say there is a freedom of speech. You can talk. You fit talk your problem. Those people, they are just expressing themselves. They are trying to express how they feel. Then they try to let the world know, say, this is not how to run a country. So now they declare them wanted. For long now, they don't tell Buhari, declare a state of emergency for Nigeria because for not because the kidnapping case there, the killing case there is too much. No, you know, green. But you can declare HIPOP as a terrorist group. What about the Boko Haram? Are they not terrorists? It be like say one place now more Nigeria than the other. And this is the main reason why this agitation. This is the main reason why people they agitate, because we are not treating everybody equal. Everybody not there equal for Nigeria, because some are more Nigeria than the other. It be like say some are the real Nigeria, while the others are the fake Nigerians, or they are attaching Nigeria. Look at the way you are arresting innocent people. Where just mouth they talk. Just mouth. You can use private jet to go and kidnap somebody from far to bring and call Nigeria. All in the name of say they look for this person. So for Nigeria, fear no go let person talk. Even if you know the truth, just shut up. Don't talk. Take the life as you see them. Take the hardship as you see them. Take the insecurity as you see them. Take the injustice as you see them. Una turn blind eyes to the main thing where we say we're supposed to dey fight against. Una dey fight shadow. Una dey trace shadow. Even if una kill Nnamdi Kanu today, another Nnamdi Kanu go still come outside. If una kill Sunday Igboho today, if Yoruba really know wetin they want, if they know they betray themselves, una kill Sunday today, another Sunday will still surface. So why una not go to the root of the problem? There must be something that trigger this agitation. There must be something that make these people to stand up and say, no, this is not how we are supposed to be living. So therefore, we are going. Why not go to the root of the main problem than for you to solve the top of the problem? if you not address the injustice where they go on for Nigeria, you not address the security where they go on for Nigeria, you not address the hunger where they go on for Nigeria, the poverty, the suffering where they go on for Nigeria, the bad leadership, the bad road, no light, no water, everything. If you not address all these things, how do you think you can shut the people where they express themselves? How do you think you can shut them down? You're supposed to go to the root. What is the root? Bring these people to the table. Let's discuss. What is your problem? Everybody will talk their feeling. Okay, let's see how we can work together as one Nigeria to solve this problem. Not to try to suppress them. Not to try to intimidate them. Not to try to shut them down. For us to continue with this life of slavery. The time when they say we take independence, I don't know whether we be slave. We even do slave reach this thing. When we take Christ, we need freedom. I'm not sure say we don't suffer reach like this. A country where you cannot speak. A country where there is no security. A country where you dey sleep for inside your room. You dey fear whether you go feel wake up alive. A country where person go dey sleep, they go come kill you, kill everybody, comot for free. A country where they go dey rob face to face for inside army barrack, fear no go let army come outside. Nigerians, drop your comments. Let me know how you feel, and let me know how we can take Nigeria from these greedy people. Let me know how we can salvage Nigeria, because like this, Nigeria is going nowhere. They are just trying to crap everybody down. Anybody basically will feel rise up to say they want to talk something, they want to do something to make sure say we get our freedom. They want to shut that down. And I pray and I believe and I want to advise those people who really need the power to see if we can change Nigeria. Should not relent. Let's continue. The time where NSAS be want turn to the real thing where go first save Nigeria. Now they keep people, and see today the people where they keep for Lekki toll gate, nothing now. It's just remember how many months? 3 months to October. 3 months to October to make it 1 year where they massacre people for Lekki toll gate. Nothing has been done. Nothing has been done. Let Nigeria wake up and fight. Let us fight for our rights. Let us fight for our rights and take our